Hello, in front of me I've got CASCHO BX17. In this video I'll show you gestures controls. In the beginning, take a look at the front of your earbuds. Right here we've got the multifunctional buttons. Press multifunctional buttons once on either earbud to answer or hang up the call, to play pause, and press and hold for 5 seconds on either earbud to power off. Press and hold for 2 seconds to reject call on each earbud, and press and hold for 2 seconds to activate voice assistant on either earbud. Right here we've got buttons thanks to which we can increase or decrease volume, or if you press them for 2 seconds you can skip to next song and skip to previous song. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.